So today we are going to create a Zentangle leaf, and you'll need your paper, pencil, eraser, colored pencils, or marker would be fine, and twistables if that's what you have in your box. So the very first thing you're going to do is write your name and class code on the back, and then you will draw a leaf. Now the leaf should be at least as large as your hand, and I have several examples that show you how to draw a leaf on my page. So the main thing is you want the stem to be larger than your hand, and then you can draw your leaf. Okay, so nice and big. Once you have that drawn, then you're going to divide up the space with additional lines. They can be straight lines, they can be wavy lines, curved lines, that's up to you. I think 5 or 7 lines works best. You don't want to get too many because then you'll have too many sections to do the Zentangles, okay? So 5 to 7 is great. So I'm going to show you the marker, what that looks like compared to the colored pencil. So I'm just tracing over my pencil lines with the marker. So you could do them all with black marker if that's what you have in your box or bag, but the colored pencil still works too. And I generally like black for this. Now in the sample that I have given you, it's all done with black Zentangle patterns. My sample here, I've added some color. So that's where I'm gonna leave it up to you what you would rather do. So like let's say inside your leaf, you're gonna have color. I would suggest doing warm colors versus cool colors. And you can do any kind of pattern you want. It doesn't technically have to be a Zentangle pattern. Okay, so any kind of pattern to fill up the space is fine with me. Just remember, when you're doing this, you want to stay within the black lines. Those are like your walls, your boundaries. Okay, and if you're switching colors, I can do little spirals. And this could be all done with black too. These are just many examples. Okay, so I'm gonna keep, like I said, warm versus cool. So I'm gonna keep everything in my leaf, the warm color and then the background. So then I have one here is finished. So you can see I have different patterns in each little section in the background, and then the same different patterns inside the leaves as well. So I did warm versus cool. You could do warm versus cool on the outside, or do all black or all one color. I'm fine with that. So once you're finished with this, you'll turn it into the finished work pile. Hope you enjoy. Bye.